Hey everyone, we realised that we haven't done any energetic work with Teddy, except on our bioresonance. So you like the chakras on the bioresonance, don't you? So we thought we'd check his chakras and his meridians, because he said, mine are all good. And I said, well, let's go test it. Up your hop. You cheeky monkey. Cheeky monkey. It's a bit of a cool morning here this morning in Brisbane. Face up. You great galoot. Then I need you to be... Chakras! Chakras! Okay, so let's have a look. Now you also want him to be a little bit on an angle just because he just discovered that on the table. Yeah. So let's check. Okay, so I'm just going to put my hand over the crown chakra and I'm going to stack in. So it's either balanced or second stage stress. And hold. So crown chakra is balanced. Let's check your brow chakra. So all I'm doing is holding it there and hold. That one's unlocking. So let's see if it's first or third stage stress. And hold. Hold up. That one is in third stage stress. So your crown chakra is in third stage stress, which means your brain is tired because you woke up at 4:17. And
I'm supposed to wake up at 5:30.
You're supposed to wake up at 5:30. 6 o'clock in our house. So let's go the throat chakra and have a look. Lie down. Do you want me to make it flat? Is it hard to stay on an angle?
It's a... Why are you making it?
Okay, let's have a look at the throat chakra and hold.
Ow.
And hold. Hold up. Throat chakra is balanced. And let's have a look at the heart chakra and hold. Push to mush. And hold. Hold up. It's in second stage stress. So this one's in third stage stress. Heart chakra's in second stage stress. So third stage stress is tired
first?
brow chakra.
What about first one?
I'm getting there. First stage stress. We'll see. So far we've got a third and a second. Now let's go solar plexus chakra and hold. That's an unlock. Let's see if it's first or third stage.
My arm!
Lengthen to strengthen and
My
hold.
arm is going to fall off.
Solar plexus, seat of personal power, that is the third stage stress. Now let's check sacral chakra and hold.
Ow, my arm hurts.
And hold, well, we'll do another. Okay, so sacral is balanced. Let's do this one. And hold. And hold. It's first stage as well. So there's a few going on here. Actually, let's check the 8th chakra as well, under the feet. Hold. Hold. And hold. Hold. It's overworking. So we've got a combination of first, second and third stage stress. Let's see if there's a 1-point correction we can do. So let's check your little celestial circuit. So this is an energy thing. So I need... No. Okay, well, I can do that. Put your tongue behind your teeth. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. Then your tongue as far back as you can go. And hold up nice and strong. Okay.
I can't do it with my thumbs.
So it's either first or third stage stress. And hold. Okay, that is definitely a third stage stress. So in relation to these chakras being out, that's thrown the celestial circuit into third stage stress. Center of gravity, hold up for me. Yeah, center of gravity isn't where it's supposed to be.
I'm wearing Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Okay, come here, darling. So let's balance this little celestial circuit first. So this is the bioenergetic reset process called the BEST technique. I teach this in Kinesiology Foundations. Actually, we do all of this in Kinesiology Foundations, including the stacking.
Spider-Man, manly hunt's friend, Spider-Man. Spider-Man's favorite color is
I suppose it would be.
And black and blue.
Oh, yeah. Because when I was a kid, I used to watch Spider-Man.
And yellow.
They just don't disappear, these superheroes, do they?
And white.
So what I'm hoping is that after
colours
doing the
black.
celestial circuit, that some of these chakras just balance, because the celestial
There's
circuit...
5 colours Spider-Man likes.
The celestial circuit increases energy to the conscious brain and gets it flowing between the conscious and unconscious meridians. So it just helps the brain be a bit more...
My favourite colour red is like wobbling like a worm.
Oh, it's wobbling like a worm.
Like, see? On the camera.
I can see that.
It's
wobbling
like worm.
You're a crazy little dude.
Wobbling like a worm.
Okay, so let's go and have a look at the celestial circuit again.
Why did you not go? Why did you?
Now, tongue behind your teeth. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. Tongue as far back on the roof of the mouth as you can go. Perfect. And hold. So, and relax. So it's either balanced or second stage stress. And hold. So it's gone from third stage stress, exhaustion, to second stage stress, which is overworking but still not balanced. So let's go see what we need to do. More of the same, more of something else, more of something else. They're little finger modes. Finger modes, yeah. So I teach some of those in Kinesiology Foundations as well.
But what's that string?
Oh, that's fluff on my fingernail.
Yeah.
Fluffy wuffy. Okay, so let's go and have a look. So what do we need to do?
And I was actually talking about that.
Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to get some emotional gear. So do we need the amygdala? Let's go do your amygdala. Because we normally don't do Teddy's amygdala. You're in my pocket. Teddy, relax. Teddy, just a sec. I need a point. Blah. Okay, so something about these chakras and the celestial circuit being out is due to an old pain and punishment circuit. So in the amygdala, there's some money in my pocket. So in the amygdala, so there's 5 major things we do. I go into 24 of them in Practitioner Excellence, but in Kinesiology Foundations we cover the main 5, which are the pain and punishment circuits being switched.
I know, one of the money fell down.
The pleasure reward centers being switched off, pain and punishment circuits being switched on, fear, threat, danger, escape, submission, freeze, and rage and anger. So this one's an old pain and punishment circuit.
The blue one is still in there, but the pink one fell out.
I got $10 in my pocket and $5 on the floor. Okay. So it was pain punishment. Let's see if there's another one.
Do you know one time my
Beautiful.
adult friend Billy gave me $100 dollars.
Whoa.
Yeah. Da, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da.
Okay. So now what we're going to do.
Just
Now what we're going to do is go back and
Scream.
recheck celestial circuit. You're being a monkey today. And hold up for me. So it's either balanced or in second stage stress. And hold. So the celestial circuit is now balanced. Now let's go back and check your chakras. So crown chakra and hold. Hold. Hold up, darling. And hold. And it's balanced. So it was in third stage stress before. Oh, it's balanced now anyway. So now let's go and have a look at the brow chakra and hold. Push to mush and hold. So it's balanced.
No,
Let's go to
that
throat
wasn't
chakra
balanced.
and hold. So throat chakra is either balanced or in second stage stress and hold. So that's balanced. Let's have a look at the heart chakra. I am awesome. I am fantastic. I am wonderful. And hold. Teddy. Hold. Yeah. So that one's balanced. So the solar plexus chakra, it was out before. Let's have a look. And hold up. Push to mush. And hold. What? And sacral chakra. Hold up. Sacral chakra, I am the creator of my own life. It's balanced. And base chakra. And hold up. And hold up. Beautiful. And hold. So even when kids are squirming, you can still get a balance done. All of his major 7 chakras are up and running now, and they're all balanced. So we use the amygdala and the celestial circuit to balance those little chakras that were out for whatever reason. So there you go. Now your chakras are all balanced.
Yay!
Yay! Exactly. Yay! Say life is good. Life is good.
Life is good.
Say bye.
Bye.